Welcome! Please spend 3 minutes with us to explore the Hmong brothers in Myanmar. Let's go learn about the Hmong ethnic group in Myanmar. Myanmar, previously known as Burma, is a Southeast Asian nation teeming with a myriad of ethnic groups, each with its own rich culture and history. One of these fascinating ethnicities is the Hmong, an indigenous people that primarily reside in the mountainous regions of China, Vietnam, Laos, and, of course, Myanmar. Although they are a minority in Myanmar, the Hmong people have a remarkable cultural footprint that merits exploration, origins, and history. The Hmong ethnic group has a long-standing history that can be traced back to ancient China. Over the centuries, due to political pressures, wars, and the quest for fertile land, the Hmong migrated southward into the territories of present-day Vietnam, Laos, and Myanmar. Their migration into Myanmar, in particular, has been a complex journey involving the interplay of politics, territorial disputes, and the search for a place to call home. Culture and traditions, language. The Hmong language belongs to the Hmong main language family. There are various dialects within the Hmong language, reflecting the subgroups within the community, such as the White Hmong and Green Hmong. Dress. The Hmong are renowned for their intricate and colorful textiles. Traditionally, their clothing is adorned with detailed embroidery, showcasing symbols and motifs that often narrate a story or represent their specific subgroup. Festivals. The Hmong New Year is one of the most significant festivals for this community. It is a time of celebration, reflection, and the hope of a prosperous year ahead. Traditional activities include ball-tossing games, dancing, and the wearing of new clothes made specifically for the occasion, music and dance. The Hmong have a rich musical tradition which includes the use of instruments like the keej, or reed pipe. Their music and dance are integral to their rituals and celebrations. Religion and spirituality. Many Hmong practice animism, believing in the existence of spirits in both living beings and natural objects. Shamanism is also prevalent among some Hmong communities, with shamans serving as mediators between the human and spiritual realms. Hmong in modern-day Myanmar. Today, the Hmong in Myanmar live primarily in the northern Shan state and the Kachin state. Their communities, often located in mountainous regions, are somewhat isolated, allowing them to preserve their traditions amidst the fast-paced modernization occurring in other parts of the country. However, like other ethnic minorities in Myanmar, the Hmong have faced challenges. Their struggles range from land rights issues to integration into the broader Myanmar society. Furthermore, given the political instability in Myanmar, the Hmong, along with other ethnic groups, have at times been caught in the crossfires of political unrest. Conclusion. The Hmong ethnic group, though a minority within Myanmar, contribute significantly to the rich cultural mosaic of the nation. Their resilience, traditions, and rich history make them an essential part of Myanmar's diverse heritage. As Myanmar continues to evolve and grow on the world stage, it is crucial to recognize, celebrate, and preserve the cultures of groups like the Hmong, ensuring their stories remain an integral part of the country's narrative. Above is the content we provided during this trip to Myanmar. If you find it interesting and useful, please subscribe, like, and share to support the channel. Thank you for watching.